Thank you very much for watching this quick tutorial guide on how to download an online service through martenjulian.com. Firstly, I'm going to log in with my email and my password. I think I've just done wrong, so I'll redo it. Click on login. I have previously been to the shop and I have searched by category for the weekend card, and I have previously purchased edition 94 and edition 95, and then I've checked out paying with my credits. So if I go to my account up here and orders, I can then see, I'll just put the highlighter back on, I can see that I've got a weekend card the 7th of June and weekend card for the 14th of June. I've received an email notifying me that this edition, 7th of June, is available. So if I click on view, it clearly says click to open. This will then download the weekend card in my computer. That opens down here. Different browsers are different. There's a guide on our support page if you're not sure where to find downloaded files. If I go back to orders and click on one for the 14th of June, I can see the order, but there's no option to click to download as the publication is not yet available. By pre-ordering weekend cards, it ensures that I receive a notification as and when they are uploaded to the site, meaning I get instant access. If you haven't pre-ordered a week's edition, you can obviously go in and buy it. You won't get that notification email when it's available unless you've done it before we've published it. The main advantage of this new system is that you can log in at any time, and if a publication is available, you can download it there and then rather than having to wait for our normal office hours. I hope that this brief tutorial helps. If you require further help, please email us or call 01539 741 007. Thanks for watching and bye for now.